Alright, so I've already finished putting my foam board around the entire crate on all four sides and on the top. What I'm going to do is put a flat sheet of cardboard. I'm going to hot glue this down to the top so that I can have a smooth surface to decorate with. But after I'm done hot gluing this down, I'm going to go ahead and take it outside and I will spray paint it silver. So I've spray painted everything silver. It's day 3. I've attempted to actually put some of the materials that I'm going to use on the outside of the legs. So I also spray painted the PVC pipes, and I put some chair pads on the ends of the legs. So as you see here, these are the foam boards that I spray painted silver. I use that to attach the materials for the outside of my legs, which is just some glass towel. You just pull the backing off and you stick it on there. And there's a protective film on here as well to keep it from any scuff marks that I don't want right now. There we go. Just want to make sure that's right where I want it to be. And as you see, I'm a little short here. I want 3 more towels. So I've got 3 more pieces here. Alright, to get this look, I had to prearrange my design in advance just to make sure all my pieces were even. So I put down one layer of the diamond wrap. I'll put everything in a description box. And I pretty much laid out all my mirror tile pieces, as well as my 4 pieces of self-adhesive mirrors. And I just took my glue gun and tried to make sure everything was glued together in the right order. I didn't go too much into detail on this part because I'll actually have a vase that I'm going to decorate in this type of way using the same materials, and I will be sitting that vase on top of this particular table, so you'll be able to see a little bit more of a detailed description of how to put these pieces together in that video.